Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another installation and styling video, and today I'm featuring Cynosure Hair. So they sent me their 14-inch Brazilian straight HD lace wig, and this is a 13x4 frontal. So I'm just going to show you guys how I install and then how I cut it into a blunt cut bob. So first, I'm just going to be customizing the hairline. I've already plucked and bleached the knots off camera. If you like a video on how I do that, check out my channel. I'm going to link it in the description box. So as you can see, the hairline is a bit of a widow's peak. So I'm just going to get rid of that section by either plucking it out or cutting behind that section. And I usually tend to cut behind that section.
Love you regardless, love you with honor. You brown with the melanin, girl be your everything. Oh, you be my medicine, back shots with adrenaline. You brown with the melanin, girl you did do me strong thing. This love got me falling, girl you're my calling. Bad and you're cheeky, girl I'm freaky. Fuck a FaceTime when they see 3D. Girl in a ride, girl I'm in a TT.
So once that I've plaited that out of the way, I'm going to cut my ear tabs, and I just use a comb to part along my ear, and then I take my eyebrow scissors or cuticle scissors and I just follow the line, the parting that I make, and that's how I cut my ear tabs.
Just take it low. Girl, I can't deny I'm drowning. Deep inside your water fountain. You're my guilty pleasure. Hold you down, my treasure. Tell your friend.
Yo, Dan, which one we doing?
Girl, I can't deny I'm drowning. Deep inside your
So when I cut my lace, I always make sure I go in a jagged motion. It's very important you go in a jagged motion, or else it will just come out like a straight line. So with the cuticle scissors, make sure you go back and forth in a zigzag motion when you're cutting.
Tell your friends, don't tell them no, no. I don't really want no goddamn drama. Love you regardless, love you with honor. You brown with the melanin, girl be your everything. Oh, you be my medicine, back shots with adrenaline. You brown with the melanin, girl you did do me strong thing. This love got me falling, girl you're my.
Now I'm taking my Invizeebond glue pen, and I love this stuff. It's like crack to me. So I'm going to use this to stick down my frontal, and I'm just going to take one layer and I'm just going to let that air dry, and then I'm going to push my lace into it.
Just take it low, slowly, just ride the boat, slowly, let me take control, slowly, just take it low. Girl, I can't deny I'm drowning, deep inside your water fountain. You're my guilty pleasure. Hold you down, my treasure. Tell your friend.
Yo, Dan, which one we doing?
Girl, I can't
Because you guys have seen me lay my lace so many times, I'm just going to zoom past that section where I do my baby hairs and should move on to the actual hair. So I'm going to be doing a blunt cut, like I said. This is the natural length of the wig. It's quite long actually for 14 inches, so I'm just going to cut it a bit so it's like more like a bob, and that way the hair is more full. The ends of the hair weren't as full as the middle, so I just wanted to maintain that thickness throughout the hair, hence why I cut it.
Hold you down, my treasure. Tell your friend.
So first I put the hair behind my ears because that's the look I'm going for. I'm going for a blunt cut, but with the hair behind my ears. Also because the hair on the frontal was shorter than the rest of the hair. So I was really upset about that because I wish that the hair on the frontal was the same length as the hair in the bundles, because it's still quite a short length, but it wasn't. So I'm just going to cut it as short as I can. I don't want it too short, so I just put it at a length where it's, you know, it kind of maintains the length with the frontal and the rest of the hair. And I just literally grabbed my scissors and just cut straight across. It's not perfect, but I feel like for a first attempt, I think I did pretty good.
I don't really want no goddamn drama. Love you regardless, love you with honor. You brown with the melanin. I'll be your everything. Oh, you be my medicine. Back shots with the adrenaline. You brown with the melanin. Girl, you did do me strong thing. This love got me falling. Girl, you're my calling. Bad and you're cheeky, girl, I'm freaky. Fuck a FaceTime when they see 3D. Girl, in a ride, girl, I'm in a TT. Fly anywhere, cause you know it's easy. Slowly, just ride the boat. Slowly, let me take control. Slowly, just take it low. Slowly, just ride the boat. Slowly, let me take control. Slowly, just take it low. Girl, I can't deny I'm drowning. Deep inside your water fountain. You're my guilty pleasure.
To ensure that I have no flyaways and that my hair stays flat, I'm going to be using my wax stick and my hot comb. So I'm just going to wax my hair down and then put my hot comb, or run my hot comb through it. That way my hair stays flat as possible.
Yo, Dan, which one we doing?
Girl, I can't deny I'm drowning. Deep inside your water fountain.
So the cons that I have about this hair is that I wish it was thicker. So I wish the density was probably more than the one that it gave me. And I wish that the hair on the frontal was the same length as the hair on the bundles, because it's still a short length. I don't know, sound really being stingy with that. So I wish that it was longer on the frontal, and I wish that it was thicker. Apart from that, I think I had a smooth experience with everything else. Bleaching, plucking, customizing was pretty straightforward, no problems with that. So yeah, if you are interested in this wig, the details on the hair will be in the description box down below. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.